Look what came in the mail today. Hi guys, my name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and occasional giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I have a giveaway that's live right now. I'll leave the link to that in the description box down below. We will also, this week, I'll be putting up another giveaway for our 100th subscriber. So keep an eye on that. I'm super excited that I got to 100. So Macy's, I've been loving lately. They are $15 a month and usually ship about 5 to kind of deluxe size. Sometimes they'll throw in a full size, which, you know, what girl doesn't love? And so I am excited to dive into this box. So it always comes with a cute little card that tells you a little bit about the products. And then there's usually either, last month we got a $10 off any beauty supply that you want to get from Macy's. And this month there's a $5 off coupon in here. How cute is this bag with cute little eyes on it? So all the products always come in a cute little makeup bag. And then there was a little card in here this time that said, oops, that we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry. We're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So I'm guessing that whatever is on the card here is not one of this. We didn't get one of those samples. We got something else instead. So all the products always come cutely wrapped up in pink tissue paper. So I'm always on the hunt for a good neck and face cream. Don't forget about those, ladies, and especially the back of your neck. You really want something, your skin, that's gonna hold up, you know, when you get a little older, and you don't want this to be tight and then this to be really loose and doesn't have that foundation there to hold everything up. So don't forget about that. Anyway, the first item in here is by Paragon MD. It is their Cold Plasma Plus Neck and Chest Broad Spectrum SPF of 25. And just a little bit about it. It says, goodbye to discoloration and hello to smooth skin with cream's mix of clinical and plant-based ingredients like vitamin B3, Candida tree. It's important to always treat your neck as you do your face because that skin is equally sensitive and wants attention too. A full size of this retails for $89. This size here is 5 milliliters, 0.17 fluid ounces. And a little bit about the brand, created by dermatologist turned best-selling author Nicole Paragon. This brand takes a holistic approach to skincare by keeping overall wellness in mind while creating products based on the science and research. I do have a serum that I use every night by Paragon and I really love. So here is what the product itself looks like. And just kind of creamy here on the inside. It does have kind of a fish smell to it. I'm sure you get used to it, but that's kind of what it smells like. It's not bad. It's not like a bad stinky fish, but it has a little bit of fish smell. So the next item in here is the one that they had to substitute for. So what this is, a brand new by Grande. It is their cleansing spa water. Full size of this, which is 12.8 ounces, retails for $52. This one is 1.35 ounces. And basically is a gentle removing makeup with pure water. Cleansing spa relies on Givenchy's signature blend of soothing mineral-rich thermal water and conditioning botanical extracts to effectively dissolve even stubborn waterproof makeup with ease. Infused with 6 essential herbs, including rosemary, sage, and lavender to help balance it. Help balance and nurture skin. The refreshing cleansing fluid also contains white birch sap to help deeply replenish the complexion with brightening minerals, a makeup remover and gentle cleanser all in one. No need for the two-step. This moisturizing formula leaves skin fresh and clean without oil or tacky residue. So I'm excited to try this one. So here you have the bonus item for this month. It is the Givenchy And what it does, it's a perfume, obviously. Paying homage to the original from 1957, the new version is a tribute to bold femininity. The Flora et de Parfum has been reimagined with notes of orange blossom, jasmine, tuberose, and patchouli. Full size of this retails for $110. This one here, it looks like this. Let's spray a little bit. I like that, guys. It smells like a really fancy spa, and it has a sweet undertone to it. I really like this. Of course, you know me and my expensive taste, as my husband would say. So here we have this moisturizing lipstick. Here is the shade here. It is Be Yourself, Be Real Here. And this is the RealHer Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick with shea butter, jojoba seed, and vitamin E to keep your pout hydrated for hours. This formula you'll want to reach for every day. It retails for $18. The little bit about the brand is created by a dad inspired by his daughter. Oh, how sweet. Each item comes inscribed with a self-affirmation like I love myself or women rule the world, as well as comfort of knowing their line is cruelty and paraben free. Love that. I am not going to open this just because I don't really wear dark reds, and so I would rather pass that on here, but I will insert a picture of this here. Okay, we have got a mascara in here. It is by Grande Cosmetics, which I really like. They are packed, so this mascara is packed with peptides and natural waxes to condition and strengthen your lashes. This is what you call beauty with benefits. And of course, it gives you mega length and volume with each application. Full size of this retails for $25. This is just a sample size. A little bit about the brand. It is a double duty makeup, is their claim to fame. Each product is infused with serums and goodies. Ooh, love that. And it is good as new. It's a long-term clinical results you crave without skimping on instant glam. So let's open this up here. It just says dramatic 97% lash length, dramatic lash volume at 94%, healthier looking lashes 94%, and clump-free formula 94%. That's all right there on the side. Here's what the product looks like. So it's super tiny for this big box. I was expecting, you know, maybe something like even, I mean, mascaras aren't that expensive. Throw in a full size every once in a while. I know you have in Macy's, loving that. Anyway, here it is. You can kind of see right here where you can actually see the product in here. So it looks like, you know, I mean, it's filled up to the very top. I don't know if you can kind of see that or not. But there you go. Here's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it just because I have a ton of mascaras open right now. And as you know, the mascara is only good for about 3 months once they're open. So the one item that we did not get in here that was a substitute for that rose water is this one here. And it would have been a Winky Links Disco Gloss in Far Out Blue. Don't be fooled by blue shades. Once it glides onto your lips, it turns the shade of pink unique to you. I think that would have been super fun. Anyway, hopefully we'll get it in a future one. So our last item in here is, ooh, I have been using this and loving this. I'm excited about this. This is the Elmis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. Beauty editors are known for their flawless skin. This cream can help you get there. It's made with Papadina, Perricone, and Mediterranean algae that is clinically proven to help reduce the fine lines and wrinkles in 2 weeks. Full size of this retails for $128. This one here is 15 milliliters and 0.5 fluid ounces. A little bit about the brand. It is defined by nature and science with a luxury British skincare brand. Uses high performance ingredients to achieve and transform results. So in the back we got the Elmis Marine Cream, the Givenchy perfume, the cute makeup bag. We also got from Paragon MD the Cold Plasma Plus Neck and Chest. And then we also got the Grande Mascara, the Cleansing Spa Waters, as well as the Moisturizing Red Lipstick. I think my two favorites by far are the Elmis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. I've been using this, loving this, and I really love the smell of the Givenchy, of course. So what were your guys' favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me when you hit that subscription bell. And obviously hit the subscribe bell so you'll be notified of our next video. If you like this video, hit that like button, and I hope to see you guys really soon. I don't know why I just stumbled all over those words. And you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.